Bring it back now.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing this Glam Mystique look. Let's get into the video. So to start, I'm going to be using my handy dandy airbrush, and I'm going to be airbrushing on a liquid makeup from Moulin, also mixed in with their mixing fluid. This is my first ever airbrush makeup, and I'm super pumped to start using an airbrush. This is exciting. But as you can see, I'm just airbrushing that blue color on, and I'm going to be doing my entire face and my chest and my shoulders and everything. Now that I'm nice and blue, I'm going to be putting on an eye primer on my eyes to do a dramatic smoky wing blown out look. So I'm using the e.l.f. primer, and I'm just patting that into my skin ever so carefully to not disturb the makeup. And then I'm going in with some black eyeshadow, and I'm going to start carving out a cat-like eye, we'll say. And yeah, I'm just carving that out with black eyeshadow, going back and forth, making sure that it's really black and blown out. I'm using a light blue eyeshadow, and this is just going to fill in that area that I left open in the kind of cat eye situation. And then with black eyeshadow, I'm just smoking out the lower lash line, making sure that looks extra dramatic. I wanted my eyebrows to be nice and red, so I'm going in with NYX's cream pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just going to go over top of my eyebrows. This is going to create a nice base to put the red eyeshadow on top of. It'll be nice and vibrant. As you can see here, I'm just patting in the red eyeshadow onto my eyebrow and carving that out so that I have some pretty fierce red brows. Can't have a glam look without some contour, so I'm just contouring my cheekbones with some black eyeshadow. I wanted those to be really deep, and I wanted this to be a very dramatic look. Can't forget the mascara. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara and just blinking on that mascara. I feel like it always looks really weird when I put mascara on camera, but I like to kind of blink the mascara on. I feel like it makes it look really nice. Can't have drama without lashes. Going in with these Makeup and Murder lashes. I believe these are Evidence number 6. I will link that below. And now with red body paint, I'm just making that hairline, that widow's peak that she has. For her markings, I'm going in with black body paint, and I'm looking at a reference image, trying to keep it pretty precise at first. And then at least on the forehead, I wanted to be really precise, but after that, I just kind of went on my own free will. I'm looking at a couple of reference images of Jennifer Lawrence in her recent performance of this character. You could also do the symbols in like a dark blue color, because I know that is a little bit more traditional to the original Mystique. You could also make all of the symbols in hot glue, or you could use fabric paint, whatever you're feeling. You could also do liquid latex and then paint over top of that. But I just felt like it would be fun to just paint it on and keep it nice and simple. So that's what I'm doing here. I don't think I've actually ever watched X-Men. I just wanted to create this character because 1, I have red hair, and 2, it's short, so I feel like that really worked out for me already. And I think this was just a really fun character anyway, to just make a little bit more glam and whatever I felt. I'm sure at some point I will watch all of the X-Men movies in corresponding order. Let me know which one is your favorite X-Men movie and which one is your favorite X-Men character. I've always been very attracted to Mystique's look, but I also really love Storm. I originally wanted to do a Mystique and Storm look. I wanted it to look like Mystique was like trying to shift into Storm, but then she like got stuck or something like that, but I didn't know if that would come through, so I just decided to do this full glam Mystique look. I thought I had yellow contacts for this look, but when I completed the look and went to put in the contacts, I realized I only had red. So I popped in some red contacts from TTDEYE, and I'm going to be applying these little false lashes to my lower lash line. I think it just made this look, I don't know, look really cool and creative. For the lower lash line, I'm just applying a blue cream paint. I thought that looked really cool with this look. And I'm just using like a cheap little palette that I got from Amazon. I'll link it below. With that palette, I'm also going to be creating a red lippy. I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, so I actually applied another lipstick on top of it. That was a satin lipstick because I'm gonna be going back in and creating a glitter lip. I'm adding a really bright highlight to the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm also going to be using that on my nose as well, just to make it look very vibrant and bright. I'm going to spray my hair red off camera. I wanted to make some of the markings pop, so I'm going in with white body paint and I'm just applying a highlight on some of the markings. I'm not doing all of them, just some of them that I felt like doing, and I'm just doing it at random. I'm going on top of that red lipstick with some red glitter, and I'm just patting that on top of the red lippy. Don't sweep it across, just pat it on there until the entire lip is glittery to your desire. And this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!